Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, today onwards we are going to see quantitative aptitude, some miscellaneous questions. So which will help you in mains examination. See friends, today we are going to start bottom stream. See friends, this is completely like very good topic. So you learn from basic means you can do it in mains level easily. See friends, whatever the method I am telling, you can't find in other YouTube channels. I am sure of that one. This is one of the easiest method. You can solve a maximum number of questions through this method, but learn what I am teaching in this video. See friends, we are going to see here basics. Before I am going boards and streams, I want to explain about relationship between distance, speed, time. See friends, try to remember DST. So you remember this one DST. So whenever you want distance means you have to multiply this two, speed and time. So whenever you want speed, same you have to write distance by time. Whenever you want time, so write distance by speed. You remember this friend, it is easily DST you remember, so you can do this chapter very easily. See friends, boats and streams. Here this is very important. See friends, actually in boats and streams we have two type of streams. One is downstream, one is upstream. What is downstream means, you are riding a boat, so you are boarding a boat, so you and the speed of stream it is same direction, means it is called downstream. So you are in boat, this is your, so you are going opposite to stream or opposite to what we need to call this water. So river is going this side and you are coming from this side in boat, so you are going against to stream, so this is called upstream. So this is the basic idea. You are going along with the stream means you are going same way of water, means that is called downstream, and you are going against to stream or against to water flow, so that is called upstream. So I am indicating upstream speed here and downstream speed here. Okay, and this is always boat speed. Boat speed equal to downstream speed plus upstream speed by 2. Okay, otherwise you can call this one and this one by 2. See friends, after then always take here current speed CS I am indicating, and here also CS. See friends, why I am telling this one, I tell you. See friends, total logic is here. When you are coming from top to down, so you have to do plus. Why we need to do plus, what we need to do plus, I will tell you later in question. So when we are going from down to upside, so we need to do minus. What is plus, what is minus, I will tell you in question. Okay friends, again current speed. See friends, current speed equal to means river speed or water speed or current speed all are same only, so it is downstream minus upstream by 2. See friends, we going to see some questions, then you can come to know how to do these problems. See friend, here a boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. So draw this diagram, it is very easy to understand. So whatever given is boat speed or your speed it is same, so here it is 13 km per hour. If speed of stream is 4 km, what I told you, take speed of stream here and here, so it is 4, I am taking here and here it is 4 only. Find the time taken by boat to go 68 km downstream. See friends, he asked about time, so what we required, distance by speed. We know distance what, this is what I told, this is downstream, this is upstream, so they were given downstream how many kilometer, 68 kilometer. So what we need to know means downstream speed we don't know, but how we need to get that one means, see friends, when you are coming down I told you to what, do it plus. So 13 plus 4 means 17, So 17 kilometer per hour your speed. So they want time, so distance already given, so put 17 as here. So 17 ones are 17 fours are, so 4 kilometer per hour, 4 hours is your answer. So option C is your answer. See friends, so for getting speed, what I done here means 13 here already they have given current speed 4. So 13 plus 4 it is 17 kilometers per hour. So it is 17 my speed, distance they have given, so time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 68 kilometers, speed is 17, 17 fours are 68. So 4 hours is my answer. We going to see next question friends. See friends, very easy method this is. You can't find in other YouTubes. See friends, a man's speed with current is 15 kilometer per hour. See friends, see here, understand, a man speed with the current. With the current means he is going in downstream. So along with current means downstream speed they have given how much? 15 kilometers. And speed of the current, what they have given? Speed of the current, how much it is? 2.5. You write here and you write here, it is better. Okay, the man speed against the current is, so they what they want actually? Upstream speed. Against current means upstream speed. See friends, nothing you have to do here. So we need to go from bottom to top. So it is or not, it is the same or not? So we need to go from down to up. So we don't know this value, so we don't know this value. So what we need to do? 15 minus 2.5, how much friends? It is 12.5. 12.5 minus 2.5, how much it is? 10. So our answer will be the 10 friends. 10 kilometer per hour our answer. What you done? Nothing friends, just when you are going upside you make it minus, when you are coming downside you make it plus. So we don't know this value here and this value. So what we done? So it is board speed, we know this is 12.5. how we know? 15 minus 2.5 means 12.5. After then 12.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 means it is 10 kilometer per hour. So upstream speed it is 10 kilometer per hour. So simple friends, it is easy to learn this method. This is one of the easiest methods. See friend, a motor whose speed 15 km per hour in still water goes 30 km downstream and comes in total of 4 hours 30 minutes on speed of the stream. See friends, this method we need to do in a different way. So I will tell you. For this method, you remember this formula friends. Total distance equal to total time into board speed square minus current speed square divided by 2 times of board speed. You try to remember this one friends, very easy one. See what they want? The speed of the stream. So total distance means in still water goes 30 km downstream and comes back. Wherever it is there, he is going forward and coming backward to same place. That type of sentence is there means you can use this formula. So total distance is 30 kilometers. So and in total time they have given 4 hours 30 minutes. So we can take it is 4 hours 30 by 60. So board speed square 15 square means 15 board speed 15 square minus current speed. So we need speed of the stream means current speed, we need current speed square divided by 2 times of board speed. 2 into what is board speed here? Board speed 15 kilometers. See friends, here 30 and 4 1 by 2 means 4 hours 30 minutes given. 30 by 60 means 1 by 2 it is. So 15 square means 225. Current speed square 2 into board speed it is 15. So we try to get it this side. So 30 into 30 equal to, this is I can write 9 by 2 right. So this is 225 minus current speed square. So 3 3s are, so 3 10s are it is 3 3s are 3 10s are 30. Again 3 3s are 3 10s are it is 30. See friends, you try by 2 it is there, you try to send it this side, so multiplication will happen. 10 into 10 100, 100 into 2 it is 200 equal to 225 minus current speed square. You get it 225 this side means 200 minus 225 how much it is, 25 minus 25 it is, so minus current speed square, current speed square, so minus minus get cancel. So you send this square this side means root 25 square means 5, how much, current speed equal to 5. See friends, our answer option is B, our answer is 5. So try to remember this one, make a note of this one formula, this formula, total distance equal to total time board speed square minus current speed square divided by 2 times of board speed. Very very important formula, you can do it easily in examination if you practice daily means. It is very very easy friend, make a note of this formula, very very important. You can solve through this formula in mains also. See friends, in 1 hour a boat goes 11 km per hour along with the stream and 5 km against the stream. See friends, this is our basic diagram. So goes 11 km along with the stream, along with the stream means downstream, so it is 5. Boat goes 11 km along with the stream, so it is 11 kilometers along with the stream, downstream 11 km, 5 km against the same stream, so it is upstream. This is upstream, this is downstream. So what he wants, the speed of the boat, so boat speed here only, boat speed equal to downstream speed plus upstream speed by 2. So see friends, in 1 hour means it is same only 511 only. So what, boat speed equal to downstream plus upstream by 2. So 11 plus 5 by 2 means 16 by 2. So it is 8 kilometers. So how much it is, 8 kilometer per hour. So next question we going to see friends. See friends, a boat running downstream covers a distance of 16 km in 2 hours. See friends, our basic diagram. So speed equal to distance by time, distance is 16 kilometers, time is 2 kilometers, 2 ones are 2 eights are, downstream speed 8 km per hour we got. So the same distance mean upstream they have given, right? Speed equal to again distance by time, so distance same distance they have told, so 16 it is, it takes 4 hours, so time it is 4, 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. So upstream speed 4 kilometers, downstream it is 8 kilometer. We can get easily this boat stream speed. So what is the speed of the boat, they have asked for what is the speed of the boat. So boat speed ours always boat speed equal to downstream speed plus upstream speed by 2, or you can remember this is on bottom, this is on top, so middle value is our always bottom, boat stream. So 8 plus 4 how much it is, 12 by 2. So 12 by 2 means it is our 6 km per hour, our answer. So option B is our answer. So 6 km per hour. See friends, again the speed of the boat in still water, so same diagram, speed of the boat it is 15 km and the rate of the current is 3 km per hour. So keep here 3 and write here 3 also. The distance traveled in downstream, so we need to get downstream speed means 15 plus 3 it is how much friends, it is 18. So when you are coming down from top you always add the values, okay? It is 18, downstream speed we know 18 kilometers. What they want, distance equal to speed into time. So speed how much we got, 18, so time it is 12 minutes, 12 divided by 60, why it should be in hours, so it is 18 km per hour, so it should be time also in hours. So I divided with 60, 12 I divided with 60, 12 ones are 12 fives are, again 18 you have to divide with 5, 5 threes are how much, 15, after 3 carries, so 5 3 carries means 5 6 how much, 30, so 3.6 our answer, option D. So option D is our answer. See friends, a man can row at 5 km in still water if the velocity of the current 1 km per hour and it takes him 1 hour to row to a place and come back. how far is the place. I told you already. uh, One place they were going and coming back means what formula I told previously. Total distance equal to total time into boat speed square minus current speed square divided by 2 times of boat speed. So see friends, what they want, how far means total distance they want. So total distance equal to what is total time, it takes him 1 hour, 1 hour to row and come back. So total time, that is 1 hour they've given. Boat speed square 5 kilometer per hour they've given, so 5 square means it is 25. And velocity of current 1 they've given means 1 square means 1 only. So 2 times of boat speed means how much it is boat speed, to 5 kilometer per hour, so it is 5. So here 25 minus 1 divided by 2 5s are 10. So here 25 minus 1 means 24 divided by 10. So 10 you cancel, 2.4 will be the our answer. So total distance is 2.4 kilometers. So our option is option A, it is 2.4 kilometers. See friends, this is also one of the good questions. They're going to ask this type of questions because many people they will waste putting x, putting y, and they will do this one. So it is one formula is there for this type of questions also. Try to learn only that 3 or 4 formulas, hardly, not more than that. Entire chapter of this, so you can finish it easily. See friends, a boat covers a certain distance in downstream 1 hour, while it comes back in 1.5 hours. If the speed of the stream 3 km per hour, what is the speed of the boat in still water? See friends, nothing you have to do here. Boat speed by current speed equal to time of downstream plus time of upstream divided by time of downstream difference of upstream. So see friends, already we have here, if the speed of the stream is given, so boat speed they want, speed of the boat, so it is easy. Boat speed they want, so stream how much it is, 3 they have given. See friends, nothing you have to do. Top side you have to add timings of both, and downside you have to take difference of both timings, means upstream and downstream timing. See friends, 1 by 2 means what it is, 3 by 2 we can write, right? So 2 ones are 1, 1 2 plus 1 3 by 2 we can write. Upstream speed it is 3 by 2, same 1 minus means difference 3 by 2. See friends, boat stream by 3 equal to, so here 2 plus, so 1 plus 3 by 2, again 1 difference 3 by 2. So it is 2 ones are 1, again 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 plus 3. See friends, here 2 plus 3 it is 5 by 2 I can take. So difference is, it is required means 2 difference, so 2 minus 3, so 2 difference 3 means 1, so it is 1 by 2 downside. See friends, here boat speed by 3 equal to 5 by 2, so I am taking this 1 by 2 upside, so it will become 2 by 1. So 2 get cancelled, so only 5 is left here. So you try to send this 3 to this side. So boat speed equal to 3 into 5 means 3 5s are 15. So 15 km per hour is our boat's speed. So our answer is 15 km. D is our option. So 15 km per hour is our answer. So our option also it is same. See friends, whatever we have seen so far, it is only preliminary level we can do, but how we need to handle mains level questions, I will make you one video on that one also. So friends, you all are supported me well, so your support is needed to me. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. If you have any query regarding this video, then you can drop me in comment section. Thank you for watching friends, take care, bye friends.